beauty queens, welcome back to another step-by-step makeup tutorial video in which today I'm sharing traditional Indian festive makeup look for Onam with Sugar Cosmetic makeup products. Today's video is going to be in English. I have another traditional Indian festive makeup tutorial video for Onam in Hindi. If you want to see, I will give the link in description box. Please check it over there. For the first step of this makeup look, I have applied Sugar Cosmetic Alcoholic Priming Moisturizer, which was quite hydrating on the skin. On second step, I'm using Sugar Cosmetic Color Corrector Stick shade number 01. This is a peach shade color corrector, perfect for fair to slightly medium skin tones. After color corrector, for this step of foundation, I'm using Sugar Cosmetic Alcoholic Hydrating Foundation. I have the shade number 37 in this foundation, which I do feel is slightly dark for my skin. This foundation do come with a sponge tip applicator. You can use that to blend the foundation as well, but I have dotted the foundation and then use this dual brush from Sugar Cosmetic to blend it. This foundation is also very hydrating. It's high buildable coverage foundation and it blends very smoothly on my dry skin. Then whatever product is left on this brush, I'm using the same on my eyelids, not using any concealer, keeping this whole makeup look very easy to create and wearable throughout the day and even for the night function as well. Then I'm using Sugar Cosmetic Too Good To Be True Dual Eyeshadow shade number 03 Cinnamon and Nutmeg. So first I'm using this matte eyeshadow. This is a brown shade eyeshadow. I just tapped it on my eyelid and used a flat yet slightly fluffy blending brush to blend it nicely. Blending was easy, it's quite smooth. So first I spread the shadow on my whole lid and then use the brush to make it look more seamless and to make it look more blended in the crease area. And it does take a while to settle it down, so you get enough time to blend it. Then on the other side of same eyeshadow has this very beautiful golden shimmer shade. So I use the tip applicator to tap it on my eyelid and then use my fingertip to blend it evenly. The blending was so seamless, you can even use your fingers to blend these shades. You might not need a brush as well. And to finish my eye makeup look, here I'm using for the next step Sugar Cosmetic Colophon Kajal pencil. I've tight lined my lower and upper waterline. If you want, you can stop this makeup look here only. You can add some mascara, some blush, lipstick, and you're done with your this traditional festive makeup look for Onam. But I just wanted to go a little bit overboard because I like to do a liner look if I am doing a traditional festive makeup. So I've used the Kajal pencil to create a very precise line on the upper lash line, and then I've smudged it with the help of a stiff flat brush. And once that is done, I have used the same eyeshadow blending brush which I used to blend the brown shade in the beginning, and I have blended brown and black together. This has created a very soft, subtle, smoky eye look which has a subtle liner as well and doesn't look too heavy as well. To complete my face makeup, today I'm using Sugar Cosmetic Contour the Force Face Palette 02 Vivid Victory. So I've tried different face palettes from Sugar Cosmetic. Contour the Force one is my favorite. I have tried different shades in this category as well. But today the Vivid Victory one I'm using for the first time. So I've used the flat stiff brush to apply the contour. Application was easy, blending was seamless, and then I used the blush from the same palette. The color was complementing on my skin really well. So this palette I do feel is very easy to use. It is a must have from my side. So do check out this one. Now to complete this look, I will be adding some highlighter in this makeup look from the same palette, but you can play around with the products. If you don't like a highlighter contour, just add some blush on the high parts of the cheek and you can be good to go. Just play around with the steps, add your own touch to it, but overall the look which I'm creating today is very simple, very wearable by everyone, and it's easy to create as well. Plus this is a very quick makeup which you can do on festival and long lasting as well. Now to lock my whole face here, I'm using Sugar Cosmetic translucent powder, that is what I prefer to use. And to finish my eye makeup, I'm using Sugar Cosmetic Black Lash Volume Mascara. This is a recent launch. I have a separate video with this mascara in shorts, you can check it over there, but it's a really good one. It's waterproof, still it's non-drying on the lids. And for the lipstick, I have Sugar Cosmetic Mousse Mousse Mask Proof Lip Cream. This is shade number 04 Water Lilies. Now there is one special tip which I want to give you if you're using this lipstick. While applying this lipstick, do not mum your lips. Most of the time we apply lipstick on upper or lower lip and then just mum them. If you try to do that, you might see some of the color is fading away from the lips. So just apply and fill your lips properly, but don't mum. And on the last step, I'm setting my makeup with Sugar Cosmetic Grand Finale Setting Mist. And this is my complete finished traditional Indian festive makeup look for Onam. I hope the step-by-step makeup tutorial video is helpful to you. Let me know in the comment section below. Do like and share the video. Thanks for watching.